step behind the laptop and I'm gonna show you, my friend, how you guys can literally use this simple hack to generate, I said in a day, literally 10 to 20 minutes of your time earning $200, $400, $600, $800 in one freaking day. Now guys, you're probably like, I don't believe this, right? This isn't real. I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna step behind the laptop and I'm literally gonna go and show you guys exactly how you guys can do it simply by typing. And even if you're a beginner, even if you have no experience in typing, even if you suck, me personally, I suck at writing, right? But you can still earn upwards of $200 to $800 per day. Literally in actually less than 30 minutes, right? So let's step behind the laptop. So let's get right into it. The first thing that I want to go ahead and tell you guys, what we're going to be doing is leveraging something called Text Broker. Basically what Text Broker is a website. We're going to move this out of the frame. It is a website that literally allows you to type to generate an income, right? Now what's pretty cool is that they're backed by Yoast, by Staples, by eBay, by Search Metrics, Auto, iProspect. Like, real companies are hiring typing freelancers to write specific articles because Staples isn't a freaking writing company, right? eBay's not a writing company. So instead of bringing an in-house staff, they're really going to go ahead and reach out to freelancers like yourself to start generating articles for them. And they're going to go ahead and pay Text Broker, right? Text Broker is simply the middleman, right? They find the client, they find the freelancer, they pair them together, magic happens, right? So let's go ahead and actually step behind Text Broker. Why write for Text Broker? Now let's show you guys a few couple of reasons why you guys should write for Text Broker, even if you have no freaking experience, right? Free registration, you don't have to pay for this. Direct access to projects, right? You don't have to recruit clients, they recruit all the clients for you. Flexible time management. You can work whenever you want. You don't have to write an article. You can work at your own leisure. If you need $500 per week, work 2 to 3 days, boom, you're good, right? Weekly payoff. You get paid every single week. Cash money, dollar bills. Helpful feedback. You're literally gonna go ahead and get people giving you feedback, how you can improve your articles, how you can increase your rating so that we can get paid more money. Free writing resources. Not only are they gonna go ahead and let you write for money, but they're gonna help you become a better writer so that way you can earn more money. But guys, look, stay with me because at the end of this video, not right now, at the end of this video, I'm literally gonna show you a hack that you guys can use to literally 10 to 30 minutes of your time make upwards to $200 to $800. Stick to the end, right? I promise you guys that. Now, the next step, let's go ahead and check out, here we go, writing resources, recite an article, how Text Broker works. So how does this actually work, right? You're probably saying, how the freak do I earn this type of money, right? So let's break it down for you guys, right? First, you register for free and verify your US citizenship. So here's the thing, first and foremost, sorry for you guys who aren't US citizens, right? But if you guys stick to the very end, even if you're not a US citizen, I'll give you guys another option on how you guys can earn an income. So watch this full through, right? Second, you submit a sample article, right? Basically, you're writing an article, improving your, or showing your writing skills. I'm gonna show you guys a simple hack that you guys can actually use to write that article, right? Then what's gonna happen is they're literally gonna go ahead and give you guys a rating, right? And this comes into how you get paid, which we'll cover in a second, so make sure you keep on watching, right? Next is you complete your author profile, and boom, number 5, my favorite part, start earning cash, right? So, the writing project for every author, we're not gonna go into that, that's simply how it works. Now, here's the most important part, and here's why you're probably very excited, is how you get paid, right? So, payments. How does this work? Now, once you write your sample article, I'm gonna show you guys with your hack how you guys can write it very quickly. So there's gonna be quick cash, guys. What does Text Broker pay to their freelancers, right? So basically how it works, you get paid per rating, right? So if you notice there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different ratings, right? Now the first rating is if you're level 2, right? That's the lowest, and guys, as stated before, even if you suck at this, right, you can still earn money, right? 7 cents per word. Now, if you're at a level 3 rating, you're gonna get paid $1 1 cent per word. If you're at a number 4 rating, you're gonna get paid 1.4 cents per word. And the big money, guys, is once you improve your writing, and they're gonna give you all the tools and resources to be able to do so, is 5 cents per word. Now, just to break this down, right, you can literally play with the numbers. If you go down, get down to the bottom, they're literally gonna go ahead and show you guys how you can get paid. So, at worst case scenario, let's just say we did 4,000 words, right? So if we wrote 4,000 words, and guys, you're looking at 4,000 words, you're probably like, oh, that's a lot of freaking words, Eric. Dang, it's gonna take me forever. I wanna show you guys how you guys can do that in a fraction, like literally minutes, and how it's gonna become a big payday, right? So, guys, this is poor quality, right? But as stated, they're gonna go ahead and give you the resources. They're gonna go ahead and give you the tools. They're gonna give you everything you need to write successful articles. So let's take a look at that same 4,000 words. Let's just say you were to write 5-star. That 5-star gets you at 200 words. Or $200, right? That's the first step, right? Now let's just say you're writing 8,000 words in a day. 8,000 words. That's $400. Guys, $400. And once I show you guys this hack, keep on watching. Once I show you guys this hack, you're gonna be like, are you freaking kidding me? Why haven't I came across this yet? Are you freaking kidding me, right? So, guys, the moment you guys were waiting for, right? Simply, if you're not the best writer like me, I suck at writing, and you still want to generate cash, right? But you're like, I suck at writing, right? I'm gonna have a terrible writing, blah, 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 blah. I'm gonna show you guys the hack. Let's get right into it, right? So, as stated before, 5 cents per word, that's what we're shooting for. Even if you guys don't do 5 cents per word, you're still gonna make a good chunk of change, right? But let's just say 4,000 words pays 200, 8,000 words pays $400, right? In a day. You're probably thinking, how the hell can I write 8,000 words in one freaking day? Now, the hack, let's dive deep, right? What we're gonna be leveraging is something called Google Docs. You can simply go to google.com. If you don't have a Google account, you simply create a Google account, a Gmail account, what it may have you, and then you can create that for free. It's gonna give you access to something called Google Docs, right? Once you open up Google Docs, you're simply gonna go ahead and press go to Google Docs. Now, let's just say, right, I had an article that I had to write, and the article's topic was talking about digital marketing, right? I'm gonna show you how fast you guys can literally write an article within within minutes, 10 to 30 minutes, making hundreds of freaking dollars. So the first step that you're gonna do is press blank, right? Now once you go to blank, you're gonna go ahead and press tools, right? And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do voice typing. Now, the next step is simply press click to speak, and then you're gonna start writing your freaking article. So instead of typing and thinking what happens naturally is people speak better than they type, right? So I'm gonna show you guys me writing an article on digital writing or digital marketing, right? So let's check it out. Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Eric Ellis Jr. Period. I want to show you guys this awesome tool that allows me to write hundreds of words in minutes. Period. Now, what I'm going to do is act as if I am currently writing an article on digital marketing. Period. You should use digital marketing because it is literally the best and most simplistic model for earning an income online, period. And more importantly, after you start writing and using Text Broker with this simple hack and making hundreds of dollars, you're going to call Eric and say, thank you, you pretty mother effer, period. Make sure to like, comment, and definitely subscribe to Eric's channel, period. Right freaking now, period. I'm sorry, I was having a little bit too much fun, right? But guys, there are some simple errors in this, but you guys can literally clean it up. And if you guys want something even sooner, let's just say you write 4,000 articles, and roughly you're gonna make anywhere from $100 to $200, depending on your ranking. What you guys can do is literally go to Fiverr.com right after you voice out your article, and then you can have somebody proofread your article. Literally pay them $5 to $10. They'll literally proofread everything and correct all your grammatical errors. Fiverr.com, right? And literally guys, with literally 10 to 30 minutes of work, you can make hundreds of dollars. It's freaking insane. Now guys, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up, and more importantly, I create content like this on the daily. Hit that notifications button and that subscribers button to join the family so I can give you way more ideas to creating a life of time, location, and financial freedom by making money online. Guys, I should be charging for this content, but I'm giving it to you for free. So make sure you smash that damn subscribe button, hit it in the freaking face, dab on it, and then